Okay, so I am going to start doing art journaling. I haven't done it before, but I have so many supplies because I have so many mixed media supplies. And I don't have a journaling Bible right now. Not one, I have a Bible, but not one that I want to journal in. And I've actually got one on order. It should be here soon. But I also wanted to do this hymn book and journal in here. As music is my background, and that's what I always did. That's what I took for my career schooling, and I used to teach music history and piano before I had kids. So many churches don't have hymn books anymore, and so they have all these extra hymn books, and it seems like such a waste to just throw them out. So it's a really good opportunity to use them for journaling, and I just love the idea that it's music, and also you can use these to just tear out the pages and use them for collage, mixed media, and whatnot. So I'm going to have a playlist specifically for the art journaling. And so if you want to follow me on there, just subscribe to me, and I'm hoping to do at least one or two videos of art journaling a week. Today, these are already covered in clear dress, so these 2 pages. And I'm doing one that's kind of like Palm Sunday is tomorrow. So Palm Sunday is when Jesus rode into Jerusalem on a donkey, and everyone was waving their palm branches, and they were all happy, and everything was great, and then it kind of went south, a week later on Easter Sunday, or Good Friday. So I want to do this, and so that's why I picked this Hosanna. So let's get started.